very first contract. These contracts are not cheap. The Dark Waters I'm using are about $80 each, which makes it 400 worth of Dark Waters per contract, and then these fillers are maybe 30 each, which makes each contract around $650, which brings the expenditure on this video to around 3,200, probably more though. Not a cheap video. Let's get our very first attempt, 25% at an AK-47 case hardened. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1, boom. Ooh, it was the correct collection, but the wrong item. Let's not beat around the bush. Let's just do it. I have a feeling, since we've already hit the correct collection, we might be hitting a P90 cold-blooded. Just a little gut feeling, but hey, AK-47, 661, that's the dream. Let's get it. Oh, we hit an AK-47 StatTrak case hardened factory new. Unfortunately, I can already tell that this is not a 661. I don't think this is even a blue gem, but the fact is, since factory new and StatTrak is super. Oh, 612, 612. That is the closest I have ever gotten